Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Children, this is the first part of chapter number 13, Motion and Time. Children, in this first part of the chapter, we will be studying about the slow and fast motion, speed, uniform and non-uniform motion, speedometer and odometer. As we all know, motion is the change of the position of an object with respect to time. Motion could be along a straight line, circular or periodic. Motion of some objects can be slow, while some others can be fast. Slow and fast. What is the difference when we walk fast or slow? The first example. The difference is that when we walk fast, we cover a distance in less time as compared to when we walk slowly. The next example. If a car and a bullock cart are moving on a road, we find that car is moving faster than the bullock cart. Thus, when we are referring to how fast or how slow a body is, we are actually referring to its speed. Speed. A fast moving body indicates that a given distance is being covered in shorter time. Thus, to find which body is moving faster between the two bodies, we can simply find the distances covered by them in unit time. It means, suppose for the example, in 10 minutes, how many distance these two bodies are covering. Thus, the speed of an object is the distance covered by it in unit time, or mathematically, the formula is speed equals to distance traveled divided by time taken to travel the distance. The SI unit of speed is meters per second. If a bus is moving with a speed of 10 meters per second, it means it will cover 10 meters in 1 second. However, objects do not move with the same speed all the time. That is, the bus will start slowly, move fast and then come to a halt. It means the speed is changing. Thus, we have to calculate the average speed of the bus, which can be written as average speed equals to total distance covered divided by total time taken. Uniform and non-uniform motion. If the speed of an object moving along a straight line keeps changing, its motion is said to be non-uniform. While an object moving along a straight line with the constant speed is said to be in uniform motion. In this case, the average speed is same as the actual speed. Speedometer and odometer. In vehicles like cars, buses and motorcycles, a motor is fixed on the dashboard, which has kilometer per hour written on it along with some digits. This meter is called as speedometer. Here you can see the picture, children. It records speed in kilometer per hour and the digits show the speed at which the vehicle is moving. Another meter is also there which measures the distance moved by the vehicle. This meter is called as the odometer.